Does anybody remember me getting 2 secret rares last time I did this? While I sincerely doubt I'm going to repeat my luck this time, I am hoping to have a little bit of fun because I managed to come across some of these older packs at Walmart recently, and I thought I would just, open them up and, once again, just find some old cards, maybe get a little bit lucky, see what I can come up with. I was able to find 3 Spell Ruler and 5 Legend of Blue Eyes White Dragons. And I'm just going to get in, open it. Maybe if I'm lucky, I will get a foil card. Maybe 2. I'm going to do all the Spell Ruler first. Just go through them, see what we've got. There's no way I'm going to get anywhere close to what happened last time, but that's all right. Flash Assailant, Labyrinth Wall, Mystic Tomato. Oh, Labyrinth Wall and Wall Shadow. Let's keep that off to the side. Dark Witch, Crab Turtle, Magical Labyrinth, Reran, and Hyozanru. All right, nothing special so far. Classic Upstart Goblin. Another Reran. Fairy's Hand Mirror. Typhoon number 2. And Senju the Thousand Hands. Alright. This Edkaboon thing, it's happened in all 3 packs. Alright, well, we got nothing from Spell Ruler, but we do have 5 packs of Legend of Blue Eyes White Dragon. And maybe, just maybe, we can get something good from here. Silver Fang, Sojin, Steel Orc Grotto, Legendary Sword, Fissure. Hard Armor, Raise Body Heat, Firegrass, Armored Starfish, and Dragon Capture Jar. I'm just gonna move these. Definitely not the best luck so far, but okay. Save the center one for last. Enchanting Mermaid, Dissolve a Rock, Sparks, Flame Manipulator, and Carbonella Warrior, the fusion of Emerald 1 and 2. Oops. This is really not the best luck. Okay, I was hoping for at least one foil card. It doesn't look like I'm gonna get it. Goblin Secret Remedy. All right. Last one. Let me please get something. And another Carbonella Warrior. Well, that one's definitely a bust. Still pretty cool, though. Definitely a lot of fun. I'll have to track down some more older packs.